how to use your Boston Scientific SCS Freelink remote control. Welcome to the Boston Scientific SCS Freelink remote control video. This short video will show you how to use your remote control. This video is not intended as a substitute for your SCS patient handbook. Please be aware that there are different models of remote control depending on whether you have a rechargeable or non-rechargeable SCS system. If you can check the battery level of your stimulator on the remote screen, you have a rechargeable system. If you can't, you have a non-rechargeable system. In this video, you will learn how to turn the stimulation on/off, check the battery status of your stimulator, change to a different program, and adjust your stimulation level. Depending on the stimulator model that you have implanted, you may be able as well to rate your therapy. Charging the remote control. Your Freelink remote control kit includes the remote control, a charging cable, a holster, and a silicone case. The silicone case protects your remote control from damage. The remote control is equipped with a rechargeable battery, which needs regular charging. When the remote control is low on battery, it displays messages reminding you to charge it when you unlock it. Charge it by connecting the power plug end to a plug socket, and then connecting the charger to the connector at the top of the remote control. When the remote control battery is fully charged, you'll see a message on the screen. Remote control buttons. Before we show you how to use the remote control, let's start by explaining the various buttons. On the right side, you'll find the lock/unlock button. On the front of the remote control, there's a stimulation on/off red button. On the left side, you'll see the home button and the program button. In the center of the remote, there are plus and minus buttons. They can be used to decrease or increase your stimulation. In the lower part of the remote control, you will find the navigation buttons. By using these buttons, you can navigate through the menu structure and confirm your selection by pressing the center round Enter button. At the top of your remote, you will find the USB power supply port for the charger. Explanation of the home screen. The home screen of the remote control displays different information like status messages, battery level, error messages, or the number of your stimulation program or schedule. Here are some basic instructions for getting started with your Freelink remote control. Unlock your remote control by pressing and holding the button on the right side of the remote control until you see 5 green dots. Then release the button to unlock. Now your remote control should connect automatically to your stimulator, if the stimulator and your remote are within communication range. The communication range is up to 3 meters with the Boston Scientific WaveWriter Alpha or WaveWriter Alpha Prime Implantable Plus Generator, IPG, and up to 6 meters with the compatible Boston Scientific External Trial Stimulator. For all other IPG systems, the communication range is up to 60 centimeters. Troubleshooting. If the message "communication failed" appears on the screen, it means the remote is too far from the stimulator or that you are trying to use the remote to connect to the stimulator while charging. Please move the remote control closer to the stimulator and press the white Enter button to retry. When using the remote control, try to avoid sources of interference like televisions, computer screens, and most importantly, mobile phones. Home screen. Your remote control has 3 different modes: locked, sleep mode, and unlocked. Don't worry if your remote screen automatically darkens after 60 seconds of inactivity. It is entering sleep mode to save battery. Press any button on the remote control to wake it up. Otherwise, the remote control will become locked and you'll need to unlock it again. At the top of the home screen, icons indicate the charge level of the stimulator battery, the remote control battery level, and whether therapy is on or off. You will only see the icon for the stimulator battery if your stimulator has a rechargeable battery. The icon in the upper left corner shows the number of the stimulation program currently running. By pressing the Home button on the left side of the remote control, you will exit any selected sub-menu and quickly return to the home screen. Checking the battery level of a non-rechargeable stimulator. This information is only for patients with a non-rechargeable stimulator. If you have a non-rechargeable stimulator, eventually it will need to be replaced at the end of the battery lifetime. We therefore recommend that you check your remote control at least every 2 weeks. You'll then notice the warning messages if your stimulator's battery is nearing depletion. When the battery of a non-rechargeable stimulator is nearing depletion, it will enter Elective Replacement Indicator, ERI mode, and will display the following message: Stimulator near end of service. Call your doctor. The stimulator will still, however, deliver stimulation. In ERI mode, you will no longer be able to save changes made to your stimulation with a remote control, and your stimulator must be replaced. You'll need surgery to replace your implanted non-rechargeable stimulator. Call your clinician to report this message screen. Press the select key to clear this message. It will continue to appear whenever the remote control is activated. When the implanted non-rechargeable stimulator has reached its end of service, the remote control will display the following message: Stimulator at end of service. Call your doctor. This means the battery is empty and the stimulator will no longer deliver stimulation. In both cases, call your physician as soon as possible to schedule an appointment for battery replacement surgery of your non-rechargeable stimulator. Checking the battery level of your rechargeable stimulator. This information is only for patients with a rechargeable stimulator. 3 bars mean the rechargeable battery is full. 2 bars mean the battery is okay. 1 bar means the battery needs to be charged. We recommend charging the stimulator when the battery runs down to 2 bars. Then you have a good balance between charging interval and the time it takes to charge the stimulator battery until the double beep. When the message "Stimulator battery low" appears, recharge your battery as soon as possible. Otherwise, your stimulator will switch off and you will lose the effects of the stimulation until the battery is being recharged. All these messages are explained in the patient handbook. Advanced applications. Now we would like to introduce you to the advanced applications of your remote control. During the programming sessions, your physician may have configured 1 or more stimulation settings to help you manage your symptoms. These are called programs. Your remote control can store up to 16 programs, numbered 1 to 16. You can view the currently active program number in the upper left corner of the home screen. If your physician has set up different programs for you, you can access these from the main menu by using the navigation buttons to enter the Programs menu, or by pressing the Program button P on the left side of your remote. Click the right arrow to display the main menu. Click the right arrow a second time to enter the Programs menu. Click the right arrow a third time to enter the Change Program menu. From here, you can navigate through the different programs with the up and down arrows. Select your desired program by clicking on the right arrow one last time. If your remote control offers you different stimulation programs, talk to your doctor about which programs are best so you can pick the right program for you. Changing the stimulation level. If your physician allows you to change the stimulation level, you can adjust it from the main menu. From the main menu, press the down button to navigate to stimulation areas. Then press the right arrow to select it. Navigate to the area you want to adjust and press the right arrow. Navigate to the parameter that you want to adjust and press the right arrow. Press the decrease or increase button to decrease or increase the value of the selected parameter. To change a parameter in a different area, return to the stimulation area list by pressing the left arrow twice. Schedule. If your physician has configured a schedule for you, these can be accessed from the home screen by pressing the right arrow. In the main menu screen, press the down arrow to navigate to Schedules and click the right arrow to access the Schedules screen options. About system settings. Using the system settings, you can set or change a few remote control interface settings, such as the alert volume, screen brightness, and the language setting. In addition, you can view information about the remote control and the stimulator. Your healthcare provider can access special functions through the clinician menu, password protected, to aid your therapy. For precision montage MRI stimulators, you can view information about lead integrity prior to an MRI exam. Additional information. Depending on the stimulator model you have implanted, you may be able to rate your therapy. The therapy rating is a way for you to communicate real-time effects of the different therapy types you may receive. The effects are recorded with a 5-star rating scale. This information can be used to help your doctor or pain nurse to optimize your therapy in the future and better customize the therapy to your needs. A therapy rating can be entered at any time. Entering a therapy rating. From the main menu, press the down navigation button to highlight therapy rating and press the right navigation button to enter the therapy rating menu. Press the up or down navigation buttons to choose the desired star rating and press the right navigation button to select. The therapy rating recorded confirmation screen will then be displayed. We hope this introduction to the Freelink remote control has been helpful. Remember, you can consult your patient handbook or contact your physician if you have any questions.